What's up mga paps? It's sparring day. Makadto ako subong sa gym to help out my friend. Kay may pala ambulance. Makadto ako subong sa gym to help out a friend. Kay may ara siya upcoming fight. So lately wala siya sang sparring partner. So gin-contact ako to spar with him. So actually nahidlaw naman ako mag-sparring. So this is a good chance na makabulig ako siya at the same time maka-workout ako. I'm so excited to spar against him. I think though okay man sa buong kondisyon ko. Not 100% bro, I'm good. I hope nga makakahatag ako siya sang mayong nga sparring session subong kag makabulig sa iyang upcoming fight. So see you later mga paps. Okay mga paps, sali kami subong sa gym as si sparring partner slash amigo. So muna ako subong kasparring. So puligan ko siya sa iyang away sa October, tentative day. Pero sige lang, puligan mo siya. I hope matagaan ko sa mayang workout. Coach, ano mabal mo?
Wala mo kondisyon, sige, testingan lang.
Ayos. Okay. Ati ka rin si Mami? Oo. So, number 1 supporter gini ni Wilmer sa mga fights niya. Yeah. Okay, pero sa ta na fighter de amuning ang tsuraya pinagid ka fighter. Na araw na. Pong,
My das.
beast. He's the beast.
Yampok kan untung.
Ayos bang? Siyempre, basta sparring safety first, anay. Ang gloves niya namin. Amo lang matupastor ako, daw mayo na yan. Twins na yan. Wala ba po niya gun? Yeah. Dapat may agad mouth guard para hindi masambil mo bibig. Dapat importante, safety.
The following is a quick breakdown of the sparring session. Link to the whole sparring session is in the description below. Round 1 started like the usual for the both of us. We are taking it easy, trying to find the range and rhythm. Being the heavier and stronger one, my plan was to press the action by moving forward and pick my shots. And I was also hoping that he fades later. It was clear that he wanted to jab me away or counter me as I go into attack. His length and speed was very difficult to handle. His left hook was very sneaky. I stuck to my game plan on backing him up. I just need to tighten up my defense and trust my durability so that I can also counter his attempts of putting me outside. I think I was doing well. I repeatedly tagged him with my right hand whenever he got lazy with his left. I could also dig some shots to the body whenever I am in. However, he was so quick on his feet and he had good evasive techniques whenever I put him to an imaginary corner. His left hook was still on point. It catches me every now and then. I figured he was moving too much. He might get tired later and I just need to attack the body for good measure. Overall, round 1 was a good round for both of us. And then round 2 came. I decided to continue on with my attacking style. But Wilmer decided to put it on with volume, and boy, he worked me a lot. He poured it on with fast combinations and he was busy that it almost overwhelmed me. And whenever I come close, he countered me hard or clinched and spun me around like a puppet while attacking. Good thing he punched himself out in the last minute of the round. I tried my best to capitalize while he rested, but I realized I was also a bit gassed from defending. Anyway, I managed to time some shots in, but I don't know if it really had an effect on Wilmer. Round 2 ended and I was starting to feel my cardio and condition was betraying me. Round 3 came and yep, I was running low on the gas tank. And what's worse, Wilmer seemed to have his second wind and he already found his range and rhythm. He was teeing off on me, punching me on the outside through my now lazy defense. My only hope was to discourage by landing with authority. I figured that my overhand rights had been landing, so I tried to set them up and hope one hits him good enough to gain back the respect. The plan seemed to be a good one, but I wasn't really sure if I could execute because I was already running empty. And the shots I received were starting to affect me. But I did not give a crap. Tired and dizzy, I was relentless with my attacks. The sparring ended as a good training for Wilmer and an exhausting workout for me.
Pansing pa gulo ko. Grabe. Sniper ba? Ratatatat. Kinahope lang ko na mag-fade ka. Kung may pick man ng akong body shots. Pero
Siya ko, abot ko to. Kapoy na mo, kapaway ko. Inahulat ko lang para mag-counter.
grabing hit and hold mo. Ayaw na perfect mo. Dako lang ko mo. Amo na nga daw makaya-kaya ko, pero kung gamay-gamay lang ko.
Pero esan, naalay mo ba ka?
Amo na importante. May chance pa kami. May chance pa kami. Yes.
Hindi ko nga sa straight sa...
Timer, thank you. Thank you, you're the best. Alright, tapos ang sparring namon, pero si Wilmer ya may klase pa ya klase pa sila ni mama ya. No. Gaway pa sa'yo na kapoy Ako itong patay niya. Batsi na. Coach, tingnan ko. Thank you, Red. Bye-bye. Boxing man tayo. Sige. Ayos. Tayo mo na Sakit ulo ko. Ayos ba na? So, amo na amon sparring ni Coach Wilmer. Nag-improve gid dyan. Nami yampang. Actually, kaluoy ito gani. Pero at least, naka-exercise mo ako. So, until next time. Bye.